going to give you a brief tutorial on how to use the 50/50 Designer software to create a script that will then play through the 50/50 player and onto the kiosk displays. I'm going to first double click on the 50/50 Designer icon on the desktop. This will launch the software. We then want to click in the bottom right hand corner on the small arrow that says Turn Design Mode On Off, and this will give you a crosshair for your mouse cursor. You can then use this crosshair to click, hold, and drag across the screen to create some boxes. We're going to create a small box on the top, an elongated box across the middle, and then a larger box to fill the entire bottom section. Again, I just click, hold, drag, and release when I have it the size that I would like. I can then right click on any of the boxes. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to select the Edit button. The media type we would like to change for the top box to picture, and we can click the small plus button on the right under the Files section to add our image. It will then just allow you to browse your computer and find the image you'd like to use, and press OK once you've got the correct one. I'm then going to go to the second box down, right click again, go to Edit. I'm going to leave it as text under the media type. In the text box, I'm going to type 50/50, the word total, the word pool, and I'm going to go down to my alignment box, place it in the center, select my font. In this case, I'm going to use Impact, and you can select your font size as well. So I'm going to do 72 for this one. Press OK and press OK again. Then on the bottom box, I'm going to again right click, select Edit. I'm going to leave it as some text. I'm going to then select the small drop down box below the text field and select Pot. I'm going to change my alignment to center, select my font. Again, I'm going to use Impact, and this time we'll just make it something a little bigger. I'm going to go with 140. Press OK. Press OK again. I'm just going to center this top box a little bit by clicking on it and selecting the move cursor when it appears anywhere around the side of the box. You can also resize it at any time by selecting these small side arrows. If you would like to preview what you've done so far, you're going to click the small blue play button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And you can see what we've done, and you'll see my pot total appears at the bottom nice and big. I'm going to right click and select close to close that preview. And I'm going to change one thing by clicking on this bottom bar. I'm going to edit. I'm going to make my background color black, press OK, and I'm going to select my font color as white and press OK. Press OK again. When I preview this, you're then going to see that my bottom box becomes black and my pot amount will appear in white. Right click to close my preview. If you'd like to save the script, click on the small Save Script button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen and title it whatever you would like. I'm going to call this one Pot, P-O-T. Press OK and then close the designer. In order to broadcast this script out to your stations, you're going to open up the 50/50 player software, double clicking on the icon on your desktop, allow it to go through with the control. In here, I'm going to select setup mode on the right hand side. You're going to see this is now switched to run mode, and I'm going to select any one of these white boxes. I'm going to pick this top left hand one here. I'm going to then select these small 4 dots button to browse for my new script, which I have named Pot, right here, and press the open button and then press OK. I'll then come back over to the mode button in the bottom right hand side of my screen that says run mode, click it and it says setup mode. I can then select the Pot script, select the stations button right above it, and allow it to broadcast out to the stations. We'll then minimize that, and you would be good to go.